Hi guys, the final video on the LPG Morco water heater. So this is the heat exchanger. So we have the cold water goes up from this side and then goes round and round and round and then comes back here as hot water. So the burner will sit, on the previous video I showed you, it'll sit sort of about here, and the flame will pass up through into this cavity here. And so all the heat is then collected up into here. And then all that happens really is that if you followed the pipe, it comes round the back, comes up to the top, and then we've got a little Mr. Waspy up there that didn't survive, and it just goes round and round and round and round, just like a radiator, gets to the end, squiggles back round, and then comes back out there as the hot pipe. And these little fins here, what they do is they help capture the heat and transfer it into the water side of the pipe, and this is where the gases are now flowing through. So we've got the flame just below, passes through here, and then we get the exhaust gases through. And this boiler doesn't have a flame, so it uses natural convection of rising hot air, and it comes out of the flue, and it's a vertical flue on these, not a horizontal flue. When you've got the elbow of the horizontal, it needs a fan to be able to push it out, but these ones just go straight up and out, dead simple, and it uses the atmospheric air because it's an open flue for combustion. So ventilation is a big must have on these. So there we are. So that will be like an overheat sensor there on the temperature on the heat exchanger. So when I showed you on the pilot assembly, obviously I've cut these things out. If that does trip and lock out as an overheat issue, where the water isn't flowing, let's say it's fired up incorrectly, and suddenly the thing is now getting absolutely red hot to a danger point. I don't think these are, no, they're not printed on there for a temperature, but they get to a certain temperature by design, they'll then shut down the thermocouple, the 20 millivolts, and it will turn the gas off from the gas valve. Okay guys, I hope you found this helpful. All the best, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.